Now. Okay, Robert, want to put it on the pan? Put it there. Good job. Don't leave them too long because they're getting burnt. Yeah, how Are they? Oops, foot. Say, get off, get off. Are these? Tell Papa these cookies are hot. Hot. What color is the M&M in that cookie, Robert? Cow.
It's red. Red M&M, right, Robert?
This foot is tough. When I ask Robert the question, it's so he can tell me the answer. Right, Robert? Who do you need help for? Or are you helping me?
I know what color the M&M is. What color is the M&M, Robert? I know. Yeah.
What color is it?
What color is the M&M on the cookie?
What color is that, Robert? No. Red. Good job.
Red. Right.
Oh.
What is it? Wind diapers. Swim. Oh, swim diapers. Okay. Good job, Laura. You remembered the swim diapers.
Okay. Here you go. Hold on here, Chef Robert. Taking them over and putting them over here. Okay, here's your utensil. Spatula. Fun? Is this fun? Fun. You have fun making cookies? Look at Papu and say, I had fun.
Yeah.
Say hi in the camera. Say hi, Santa. Santa's coming soon. They'll say, wow, look at that Robert Haney helping make cookies. These are good ones. And these have snowmen, and these that are cool have look, trees. And what's that? Reindeer.